Hey friend, in today's short video, I'm sharing the advantages of becoming more open-minded. Are you ready? Let's go. Welcome back. My name is Dom and I help people to step into their truth and power. The advantages of becoming more open-minded. I'm finding that, oh look at that. Rio, my dog Rio is right there. I just noticed her. I didn't notice her before. You can see she's kind of chilling out there. But I'm finding that the world becomes so much more interesting and far vaster when you're open-minded. However, it can be really challenging to keep an open mind. Being open-minded is not about being in agreement. Being open-minded is about being in a state of understanding. Understanding and agreement are two completely different things. We all have our beliefs, our values, our preferences, our prejudices that blind us to the truth and to new experiences. Our view of the world is tainted in ways we don't even recognize. So it's a significant challenge to be open-minded. I invite you to consider these advantages of becoming a more open-minded person. Number one, you learn more. Open-minded people are much more interested in learning about different ideas, different people, different places, different cultures. While closed-minded people think they already know everything. They aren't open to learning something new or different. Number two, you get to experience fewer negative emotions. Closed-minded people are more easily annoyed and offended than are open-minded people. Open-minded people tend to have fewer negative emotions and more positive and neutral emotions. They more often give someone the benefit of the doubt, figuring that they might have good reasons for their actions. Number three, you get along better with others. Open-minded people like a greater variety of people. They are also more likable in general and less likely to get into disagreements and arguments with others. Number four, open-minded people have a broader range of experiences. When your mind is open to more possibilities, you'll enthusiastically engage in those new experiences. Closed-minded people have much more limited lives. Number five, you'll be wrong less frequently. The more open you are, the less likely you are to come to an incorrect conclusion. You'll consider all possibilities. You'll also have a greater range of experiences and have learned more. All of these things will result in you being right more often. Number six, you have the opportunity to learn more from your mistakes. When an open-minded person makes a mistake, they can think about what went wrong on a deep level. They'll consider that maybe they made an error in judgment, that maybe their knowledge is incorrect, or they just need some more practice. A closed-minded person, on the other hand, is less likely to consider all the possibilities for their failures, so it's hard for them to benefit from the lesson. Number seven, you are less limited. Anything is possible if you can only open your mind wide enough. When you have a very limited scope, you and your life are very limited too. Number eight, you'll love more people, and more people will love you. Open-minded people are more accepting of others, are less likely to offend or to be offended, are potentially more interesting, and are more interested in others. All of these qualities add up to a person that has the potential to be more loving. So you can train yourself to be more open-minded. And here are some strategies. The first one is avoid reacting reflexively to the opinions of other people. Rather than leap to a conclusion of the opinion of somebody else, stop and think for a moment. Ask questions. Inquire why they believe that. You just might learn something either that you didn't know or may have ever been considered before. The second, read books on topics that are counter to your opinion. For example, if you prefer liberal ideas, read a book written by a conservative. Are you certain that global warming doesn't exist? Read a book by a climate scientist that strongly supports the theory of global warming. Third, expose yourself to new people. We tend to hang out with people that are like ourselves. However, there are plenty of other people in the world that have something to offer that's new for you. Fourth, travel more. Explore new places and things. The most open-minded people tend to be those that also travel more. Have you ever been to a third world country or to a place where no one looks like you? Different cultures value different things, so enjoy the adventures of traveling. It's really challenging to become more open-minded. Closed-minded people tend to comfort in the fact that their beliefs are certainties for them. Many of them would rather not consider any other alternative, but there are so many advantages to being open-minded that it's well worth the effort. So I invite you to give it a try. And if there is something that is resonating for you today from this video that you've gained, please drop it in the comments below and let me know, because I want to have an opportunity to continue to inspire and encourage and empower you to step into this. And so until my next video, continue to be open-minded, be well, be healthy, but most of all, be empowered.